Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be answering a question that I've been getting asked a lot recently on Instagram, and that is, how do I fill in the details in my resin pieces? Well, it's really simple. All I use is a dotting tool and some acrylic paint. And if you're wondering what brand of acrylic paint I use, it's just Apple Barrel, the one that you can buy at Walmart. And if I remember correctly, it's 50 cents a bottle if you're in the US and 97 cents if you're in Canada. Here's a closer look at what a dotting tool looks like, in case you guys don't know. I sometimes also use a toothpick to paint in details when the engraving of the piece is really thin. Now, the first way I paint in my details is I paint the grooves on the mold like I'm doing here. I find that this method does take a little while, plus a steady hand to get those crisp lines. One downside I've found doing it this way is that once the paint is dry, you have to be super careful with moving the mold or the paint cracks. I've even had it where the paint completely falls off the mold and I had to restart the whole process again. But you can get really nice results with this method. For example, this piece here was filled in using this method. The other way I fill in the details is once the piece is fully cured, I paint in the engraved part like this. If I end up painting more than I meant to, I will let the paint completely dry and then very gently scrape the excess paint with my nail. I always enjoy this part and I find it very therapeutic. One downside of this method is that if there are any air bubbles around the engravings, the paint can go in and it will come out looking fuzzy like this. I haven't found a way to fix it, so I just end up remaking the pieces. If you guys use another method or know of another method on how to fill in resin pieces, then go ahead and comment down below so we can all learn from each other. If you guys found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and definitely share it with someone you know who is just starting out with resin crafting. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!